How to convert Word documents to PDF with PDF Image Printer 12. Begin by opening your document in Microsoft Word. Select File, Print. Select the PDF Image Printer as your printer. Click Print to send the file to PDF Image Printer. You can then set the name and save location of your new PDF file. PDF Image Printer uses profiles, which are a group of settings used to create the output image you want. You can select the profile you want applied to your output PDF file from the Save As type. PDF Image Printer comes with a couple of default profiles, including Adobe PDF and non-searchable PDF. For basic PDF conversion, we recommend using the Adobe PDF profile. Click Save to create your PDF file. From the PDF Image Printer dashboard, you can change the default profile used when printing through Printer Management, or create your own profiles with the Profile Manager. You will need to create a new profile if you are looking to create serialized PDF files where each page becomes its own PDF file instead of multi-page PDF files, or turn off prompting for file name and save location each time you print. Try out our PDF Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below for a free trial.